Did you know that sheet metal models can be formed using punches in Creo Parametric? A form is a shape in your sheet metal part that is molded by another part. A form feature is created by merging the geometry of a reference part to the sheet metal part. To place a punch form feature, click Punch Form from the Form Type drop-down menu in the Engineering group. In the dashboard, click Open so that you can select the part that will be used as the tool to create the form. In this case, select the louver form part. A form part is positioned on the sheet metal part using either assembly constraints or an on-surface coordinate system. This louver form part uses an on-surface coordinate system for its placement. Query to place this form on the inside surface of the sheet metal part. Then use the green offset reference drag handles to position the part on that surface. If you need to rotate the form, open the Placement tab and enable Add Rotation about the first axis. Since we're making a louver, we want a surface to be left open. So open the Options tab and activate the Excluded Punch Model Surfaces collector. Then select this surface to be excluded. Before completing the feature, notice that this form is being placed using the Dependent Merge option. This means that in order to change the shape of the form, you'll need to change the louver form part model. If you needed or wanted to edit the sheet metal part independently from the form, it can be placed using the Independent Inheritance option, which would add the features and dimensions of the form part to the sheet metal part. After completing the feature, you can see in the model tree that the features of the form have been added to the sheet metal part. Let's start the Punch Form tool again, and this time we'll place a form named Gusset Form using assembly constraints that are predefined in the form as a component interface. To position this form part, select this surface, the top surface, and this surface as an offset reference. Preview the feature and notice that there are no rounds where the form meets the sheet metal. Open the Options tab and enable Placement Edges. Then preview the feature again and notice that rounds have been added. Also notice that this form is going to be placed using the Dependent Merge option. This means that in the model tree we won't see features that make the form. To edit this feature, the Gusset Form part would have to be edited. Creo Parametric makes it easy to more accurately simulate your manufacturing process with flexible punch forms that can be added to your sheet metal models.